नमस्कार, वेलकम, स्वागत अपनी कहानी स्ट्रगल टू सक्सेस। और आज हमारे बीच डॉक्टर चैताली डैम जो ब्रेमेन में पोस्ट डॉक कर रही हैं और कोलकाता से बिलोंग करती हैं। तो चैताली जी, वेलकम, स्वागत, नमस्कार।
नमस्कार सभी को, थैंक यू।
चैताली जी, प्लीज शेयर योर लाइफ जर्नी।
Okay, so I am Chaitali. I'm from Kolkata, India. So I came into Germany for doing my first postdoctoral research here. So I came this year in January 2021. So after finishing my bachelor's, I started my master's, then PhD. After getting the doctorate, I wanted to explore more, so I came to the journey of postdoctoral research. And right now I'm just going through this, enjoying Germany and also my life.
In which subject you did PhD?
Okay, so I did PhD in nanoscience and nanotechnology. And my bachelor and master's was in chemistry. Yeah.
As you know that our topic is struggle to success,
Yeah.
So have you ever faced struggle in your life, or maybe some sleepless night or depression or extreme negative emotional conflicts? If yes, then कैसे आपने उसको overcome किया? Would like to share, please.
Okay. Yeah. So this journey started when I was in bachelor. So during the bachelor time, I realized after entering into the course that maybe I have chosen the wrong subject. So chemistry becomes so tough for me that I thought it's not the right choice for me. But that time, I thought maybe I cannot go far with the subject, but I was optimistic. I never wanted to lose the ground. And that time I thought, so maybe I should try more to overcome the situation. That time the nights were really very sleepless and I didn't know that how to get out from the situation and how to do how to finish my bachelor that time. So I was trying to focus more on the subject, try to love the subject so that it will be easier to understand and go through the situation and to find out the way out from the sleepless night. And that time actually my parents, my teachers helped me a lot so that I at least can handle the situation very nicely. And also my willpower that I never wanted to lose the ground, that I can do it. So that time during the bachelor, the time was really very, very difficult for me. But after finishing the bachelor's, when I entered into master's, that time I realized, no, this is the perfect choice for me. So chemistry is the best subject what I have chosen for me. And then I started off dreaming my doctorate when I was in master's. And that time I realized that, okay, so doctorate is different because you have to find out something new, you have to go through a new journey. So it was a little bit challenge, but I like it. So after finishing my master's, I entered into my doctorate course, and during PhD, I went to a few foreign conferences. And that time I realized, no, I have to go far with the subject. So that time I realized that I have to do postdoc because I want to explore more. And after finishing my PhD, the COVID started. So the dream was about to die. So again, the sleepless nights are coming, that how to overcome the situation and how to touch the dream again. So the time was really very, very difficult because everywhere the lockdown happened and you cannot go anywhere. So I had to wait a little bit long, but yeah, so I had the dream inside me. So I was just waiting for the exact situations when everything will be open up again and I will come here. So after the situation in January, I finally got my the entry to my postdoctoral course here, and 15 January I arrived in Bremen, and then from February I started my postdoctoral course. So the situation is that I could not finish my, there was a time that it was really very hard to finish my bachelor's. And right now I'm doing postdoc. So the journey was really not very easy. It was hard, but I was optimistic that yes, there was something to do. At least I have to have the faith on me, and I have the power to handle the situation. So this is how I tried to handle the situation. And today I'm doing this. I mean, it's kind of my dream to come to abroad to do my postdoctoral course. And also, I mean, maybe after finishing this, I will start another journey. I don't know still because it's future, but still I have the hope inside me that yes, I can do it.
From which university you did the bachelor, master, and PhD?
Yeah, so I did my bachelor from West Bengal State University. Also my master's from West Bengal State University, and my PhD from Calcutta University.
Wow.
So
this is a great learning for the people. If they do not love any subject in the current course,
yeah,
they will little bit take the guidance from the teacher, parents, and self-motivation is also required. Like as you said, you start loving, you wanted to love your subject.
Yeah.
And now your weakness become the full strength.
Yeah, that's true. And it's just kind of my dream that yes, I wanted to touch the dream, and yes, I'm just having the dream right now. So I'm happy for this, that at least I recovered the moment and I am right now in this journey.
I'm sure like many students have this kind of conflicts. Many, not one, two, many students, they got admission, and then after, oh, this is not good for me, what I have to do, they start looking the quitting. I had one, my teacher, which name was the Mr. Kishan Kalji. He always said, if you start something, don't quit.
That's true.
Just finish. If you will finish, you will still learn something. If you finish, then you will have confidence on yourself that you have finished. If it was the wrong decision, you also learn that you have you had the wrong decision, and if it was right, then you will have immense confidence. So like same बहुत अच्छा लगा that this is a big motivation for the young people. So like, what is the 2 or 3 words you would describe these things about?
I feel every day is a journey of struggle. So for my case, hard time came, it passed away. So every day we learn. Maybe there is a blessing or a lesson, but we have to go through this. Otherwise, we'll never understand that what we are going through and how we become more mature. Because I always feel that if hard time comes, that not only increase your confidence, that also increase the maturity inside the person, so that they can understand that how to handle the next situation if the hurdle comes again. So for my case, no successful journey can be finished without failure. So we have to face the failure, but after every failure, there is always a light. So we have to have the patience to see the light. So I did it. I'm still struggling to get a better future. So every day is a struggle, but we must have the patience to follow the journey for winning, for a better future. So that was my journey. So not so interesting, but yes, maybe so many people also face this situation like me. And
sure.
Yeah, and if my story can encourage a single person to overcome the situation, that will be the best reward for me.
Actually, you know, when I was in bachelor, my graduation bachelor was in with the physics.
Okay.
Yeah, so I had same kind of situation. So when I had always fear with, you know, in India, always dig like a very big fat book,
Yeah, that's true.
So I had a big fear with a big book, and whenever I took and I fall asleep, the book was for sleeping. So I had one professor, and he said, "Okay, तुमको problem क्या है?" Sir, when I see, I feel I want to sleep.
Yeah.
Okay, and what he said, okay, give me this book, and come next week. And when I went again to next week, and he divided every chapter in small things.
Okay.
He divided the book, in small chapter.
Yeah.
It was nice. Like, it's nice that if you are really blessed if you have the good teacher.
That's true.
Yeah, and the family support.
Yeah.
And I fully agree with you that patience is very important, and teacher support, and same time family support is also important.
Yeah.
And took the positive way.
Yeah, and faith on yourself. Otherwise, no situation can be overcome easily. So willpower is also a very, very important thing for overcoming any situation, any hard time.
Right. I have heard that you sing also very beautifully. You like to sing something.
I sing. Yeah, I also run a page, Voice of Chaitali.
Oh.
Yeah. But I'm not going to sing today. Maybe some other day.
Okay,
yeah,
no problem.
I like to share my voice.
Thank you very much, Dr. Chaitali Day.
Thank you
I'm
so
sure
much.
This is a big motivation for the such students or viewers who get admission and is struggling there. Remember, this weakness can be your positive, and we are not talking from the history, we are talking now present. Chaitali ji is absolutely very young. And,
yeah.
life, and if you have such problems and issues, please write here, and so that Dr. Chaitali they can respond to your comments. Thank you. Namaskar very much. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Namaskar.